My name is Azwin Das. I'm the student coordinator of the 24 hackathon, that is Spectrathon. And that is one of the flagship events of Spectrum, which is a national level event by GEC, where every department is doing a certain event. So we are doing computer related events. And I was the coordinator of the hackathon, and we had 13 teams, one of which came from Bangalore. Before that, in the shortlisting round, we had about 40 teams from all over the country, from Tamil Nadu, Bangalore, etc. So we shortlisted 14 teams, and they've been working for the last 24 hours. And we have a prize pool of 50,000 for this event, along with other events of our department. And right now the judging round will begin, and so that's about it.
This is a 2 days event?
It's a 2-day event.
Okay.
And we had a lot of events yesterday, we had a lot of events today also. There were stalls, there were fun events, there was a fun zone, a lot of people, student exhibition. And there's also a pro night, DJ night, and we have 2 top DJs of our state coming over tonight. And we have a lot of participants for that too.
Hi, I'm Rasan White. I'm a student from GC. And today, as you can see all around, we are having an event called Spectrum. It's coming back after 6 long years. So the thing about Spectrum is it's a technical event which is organized by GC. And this time we have 6 categories, which is Technics, Techfluence, Talk, Pratikriya, and we have Resonance. So we have various robotic events, which are one of our flagship events. We have hackathons, which is also a flagship event. We have UI UX, which is a designing event. And currently we also have Robo Sumo going on. So besides this, besides all the technicalities, we also have a lot of talks that are going on, so that students get an exposure to what the industry has to offer. Also besides that, we have put up a lot of stalls and expos. So different companies come here and they show what their company has to offer and what their company is all about. So we have we have expos from Vistion, we have expos from Honda, from Suzuki, and various other companies. Today night we'll also be having, as part of our fun night, we'll also be having a pro night where two DJs from Goa itself will be coming. Now, one of why we call it a national event is because we have 12 colleges coming from all over India. Some of them have come from Noida, some of them have come from Bangalore. There's a college, KLE, from Belgaum. There are 2 colleges from Tamil Nadu. And therefore, because it's a national level event, the exposure of Goa and the level of the competition increases. So that is a lot about Spectrum. Thank you.
So who are the main sponsors for this?
Main sponsors are Dempo Group and Vinsan World. Title sponsors are co-sponsors are Yani Plast. Event sponsors are Chetak, KTM, ADC, Kia, Vistion,